So hello, this is my new Bosch dishwasher. It's an SMS25EW00G. I bought this dishwasher to replace my 12-year-old Bosch, which is currently in the kitchen. I've had that for a couple of months and it's leaving like a chalky residue on dishes. I suspect there's an issue with the water softener. But I decided I want a nice shiny new one. I was going to buy a brand new one to begin with. I'm not sure why. I think I was just desperate for a dishwasher, so I went on Gumtree and bought the closest one to me, and it was the Bosch dishwasher that I've got now, which I'll show you in a sec. But anyway, I bought that a couple of months ago. It's been fine until it started leaving the residue on dishes, and it's really quite annoying. So anyway, this is the new one. We will unwrap it in a minute. I will take you through into the kitchen. We'll take the old one out first, then we'll bring the new one in, unwrap it, and fit it. So if you follow me through to the kitchen. So this is my old dishwasher. It's this Bosch Classics. It is an SMS25EW00G/06, and it's from August 2008. So it's 12 years old. And if you open the door on the old one, you'll see this example of the chalky residue. It's on the door. And it deposits it on glasses, cutlery and plates. It gives them a really rough texture. Obviously it doesn't look good on the shiny silver cutlery when it's got white watermarks on it, let's say. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is unplumb this. Fast forward a few minutes in and we've got the old one all disconnected and isolated. So what I'll do is take this out and bring the new one into the kitchen and we can unwrap it. So fast forward a few more minutes in and we now have the new one in the kitchen. So trusty scissors, we will, haven't done this very well, we will cut the packaging off and take it out. It's half the poly. So we've got this bit which goes front to back, and we've then got the side posts. Try not to break these up in case it's got to go back or get the tip. We'll poly this, the tip in there, not the dishwasher. So we've got this clear tape around the lid which will come off, hopefully. Should do. And now we can have a look inside. So if we take the sticker off, this is the energy rating sticker. Have a close up of that. So it's unlike the old one, I think. Yep, unlike the old one, it's just a pull to release. There's no mechanical catch. And that comes down like that. So when I was choosing a dishwasher, what I really wanted was this the additional cutlery rack at the top. I think it's tidier, saves space on the bottom, you can get more in. I prefer the layout of the cutlery tray. I can just go like that with all my knives and put them all in the drawer in one go. It's just how I like to do things. So we've got the top rack for the cutlery, middle rack for the cups, glasses, etc. We've got this attachment which is like a little mini shower head which goes on the back. You can take this top rack out rather. You can put big things in like pans and fridge shelves, and that will spin around and spray the water around instead of the spray arm. So obviously take the spray arm out with the top basket. And these little side pieces of polystyrene which can come out. They can go in the dustbin. Well, there's a little bit of rubber trim at the bottom, stop things going under it. I won't fit that though. We've got some more polystyrene. We have the packet with the instruction booklet in. We have a sample of finished quantum and whatever the rinse aid is, finished rinse aid. And we have a feed pipe which I won't be using because I've got my long one on already, which is almost new anyway. I'll fit this in, then I will do a video of it plugged in, go through the programs, options, etc, etc. So bear with me. So then, this is the Bosch Serie 2 Silence Plus full-size freestanding dishwasher. So if we turn it on then, what have we got? So we have our 5 cycles. We've got intensive 70 degrees, eco 50 degrees, glass 40 degrees, quick 45 degrees, and we have a pre-rinse which is 15 minutes. Option wise then, we've got a delay start with an extra dry option, and we have a Vario Speed Plus, which is just the same as your standard Speed Perfect on your Vario Perfect washing machines. So that takes the intensive time down by about 50 minutes. Takes the eco cycle down to 1 hour 10. Glass is down to 1 hour and 5. I doubt you can have it on a quick wash. Nope. And you won't be able to have it on a pre-rinse program. To start our cycle, you press the button in the middle and off it goes. So we've got our countdown display. We've got a check water light, which that shouldn't be on. We've got our salt lights because we need to put some salt in, and same for the rinse aid. So we're going to do that in a sec, then I'll put it on a wash to rinse it out. So as I said then, we will fill it up with some rinse aid and salt. So for rinse aid, I've already got this Finish rinse aid. That will do for that. And then salt. So our salt pot's in at the bottom of the wash tank. I'm going to lift the lower rack out for now. And we have this big bag of Tesco salt granules. The kilo to 3 kilo bag. I can see this going quite badly. So scissors. Yeah, I said I could see this going badly. I should have taken the cap off to start with. I've sloshed that around a bit, a little bit more in it. That's plenty. Cap. Cool. So then I'm going to pop it on a quick wash to rinse it out sort of thing. So I better add some detergent. At the moment, I'm using this Finish powder, if I can open the lid. So I'm going to pop a little bit of that in there. It's probably a bit too much, never mind. Do it good. I'm going to slide the cap over like that. Now, before I put it on, I'm going to set up the water softener and the rinse aid dosing. So, I'm following the instruction book. I've never done this before, so I'm going to set this to the maximum water hardness. I've got no idea what it is, but it's bloody hard around here. So anyway, we've got to turn it on, press and hold start. Turn the program selector to the display shows HO4. Turn the program selector until the required level has been set. So HO0, 01, 02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, oh, nothing. 7. So 7's the highest you can go. Press start to save the setting. Now, setting the rinse aid. Somewhere in here, rinse aid system, setting the amount of rinse aid. Press on, press and hold start. Oh, hang on, R05. Factory testing is R05, I'm going to leave that as that. Press start to save, fine. Right, so we're going to do a quick 45 with no options. Starts that one there. So that is my new Bosch dishwasher. I'll do a video of it when I've got it fully loaded with some dirty dinner stuff. We can see how it actually fares. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye.